were absolutely fine, because I think so when you move from one speech to another speech, you should also incorporate what you have learned in the previous speech. So when he gave the suggestion of body language, when he gave the suggestion of triads, it's absolutely fine because that was covered in project 4 and 5, and your 6th speech should have something of that. So there's a lot to learn, Sudhanshu. Fantastic evaluation. What worried me a little bit was, Cherian, was that Tenzin was your classmate and you're his good friend. And you have friends who are pretty dodgy at dodging the police and all. Very good. And one more small thing, Cherian. CRY is no longer Child Relief NU. It's Child Rights NU. The name changed in 1998 or 2000. I'm not exactly clear of the name, but once it was after that, it's no longer Child Relief NU. It's now Child Rights NU. So just those small factual corrections, but I think so wonderful job done, Cherian. Please give him a big round of applause. After that, we had the newsletter launch, and we had a very dynamic BPPR. Now, why I tell you dynamic BPPR? Because although he's my mentee, Mohiuddin Sheikh, I am learning so much from him. You all must not be aware of the fact that he is a multi-role wonder. He's a yoga instructor in Oracle. He does yoga for 1 hour a day. He's a gym enthusiast. He works out 1 hour a day. That's why you see he's such a fit guy. He's the secretary of his apartment where he takes care. He's the BPPR here. He's traveling to the US in the next week. And besides all that, he does his job so brilliantly. So please give Mohiuddin and the entire editorial team a big round of applause. Fantastic. A person who believes. He sleeps just for 4 or 5 hours a day, and he's a real achiever. And thanks to Monisha and Payal also for bringing out the newsletter. After that, we had a short break for snacks. Fantastic. Might be today's meeting is special because usually we have the meetings down and we have to travel down. Might be they understood love makes us rise, so we came up to the 2nd floor. Good. And then we had the brilliant table topic session. I think so. If anybody should learn how to be calm and cool, they should learn it from Pratima. I keep wondering, do you ever get stressed in life? Means I strongly recommend Payal to spend some days with you. Please, Pratima, just adopt her. Please do something with her. Please do something. Because the way she calmly, coolly, and brilliant choice of topics. All the topics were a little tough here and there, but I think so she conducted the entire session on love. And you know, what I learned from this table topics was how to handle a table topic. Every speaker had a different style. If you know Ratan Shetty, the topic was price tag and sale and all. He didn't speak anything on that. He spoke only on love. Correct or no? So that is one way of handling the topic. Pick up one word and speak whatever you want. Okay? Then we had Ankur. He was asked to speak on something. He didn't know what to speak, so he asked audience's response. The second way of handling a table topic is ask audience response. Mohan Punjabi had already prepared his talk. He had seen some video on YouTube, so he knew a story. Whatever topic comes, I'm going to speak this. So you should learn this. I'm just telling you, these are various ways. Abu Bakr is a classic example of if you can't convince, you should confuse something. Something about born, death, we didn't know what he spoke about, but finally completed his session. Joseph Das, lot of pain in his. It's destined, I know it's destined. You have to bear with it, Joseph. Love is not a walk in the park. What happens after the park? Oh my God. And there was one guy, Ramdas, I think. So he spoke only about himself. I am Ramdas, this, that. He didn't speak anything about the topic, but that's also one way of handling it. So these are various, you should observe, these are various ways of handling table topics. When the table topics contest comes, you will learn these are 6 or 7 different techniques. These were all exhibited today by our table topic speakers. So for a job well done, wedding cake, whatever, understand? Take some abrupt words, speak on something and finish with it, understand? So for that brilliant display of technique and for the beautiful topics which brought out all those techniques, please give Pratima a big round of applause. Okay. Now one Yeah, now we have our reports, and there was an offer, if you have heard in the beginning, when Monisha said those who use the word adulate the most number of times will get something from me, and I saw a lot of jaws drop of the boys at the back. But I'm not going to give you a chance. I'm going to use adulate. Monisha, what are you going to give me?
You're late.
Okay. Anyway, let's call the grammarian Monisha to read out the report.
Thank you, Dr. Rajdeep. Yes, before I begin, I distinctly remember, the challenge